Hello students, today we are going to start our second course, and that means a simple philosophy. And this is written by Sequel. So in this part we are going to learn the summary of this lesson. Now listen carefully. When the white people, so what is the meaning of white people? White people, it means related to a human group having light or fair colored skin, especially European. So particularly the people who are having very white, very fair or very light skin, that group of people is called white people. When the white people were progressing westward it means situated in the west or in the west direction. To take over it means get control of. To take over the North American continent. Continent it means one of the main land masses of the earth. From the native it means associated with a place by birth. Tribes. Tribe it means a group of related families ruled were to take over the North American continent from the native tribes. So particularly in the western side, peoples, particularly the white people, the people who were living in the town, those people in the cities, those people the writer is calling white people. And those people were doing very lot of progress, development in their area. And now those people want to get control over a continent, and that continent is North American continent, that is the land mass North American continent, and particularly that land mass, that continent is related to a native tribe. Now tribe, it means a small group of people who are living there and one person control or rule over that group. Sethil, the chief of North American Squamish tribe of Washington state, wrote this letter to the President Franklin Prince of the US. So, the narrator Sethil, he was the chief of North American Squamish tribe of Washington state, and narrator is writing a letter to the president of that time of US, United States of America, and the name of that president is Franklin Pierce. Next paragraph. The author Sethil refer it means mention this tribe as the red men or the native Indians, and the urban population as the white men. So in this lesson, in this prose, the narrator, the author, the writer Sethil refer those native people as red men or native Indians, and the people who were living in the urban area, in the cities, those people refer as white men. The letter convey it means carry. His philosophy and emotion regarding this native land. So in this letter, whatever the author had written to the president of that time, in this letter we can see the writer's philosophy and his emotions related to the native people of that native land. Maintaining an environmental balance is not the new idea according to the author. And according to the author Sethil, maintenance of environmental balance, that is very important. If there is any imbalance in our environment, then we have to face many difficulties after that. So this is not the new idea, this is very old idea that you have to maintain environment, balance in that environment. In fact, people have been practicing this way of life from the earliest of time. So this kind of practice people were doing from the starting period, from the beginning of human civilization. But only the civilized culture, civilized it means educated or good manner culture have destroyed the earth and its resources. So, according to the author Sethil, the native people who are living in the forest, those people are not destroying this land, but the society, the group of people which is we call civilized, educated, very progressive, those people are destroying our earth, our environment, and we can see imbalance in our environment because of this civilized society, civilized people. So in this way, this part is going to end here. So we are going to stop here. Have a good day to all of you. Thank you very much.